Hi guys, because that by Dave Clark 5. It's right that I should care about you and try to make you happy when you're blue. Okay, that's our intro and second lines of verse 1. Actually, I have already recorded this song, but it got some copyright issues, so I have to do it again. I have to make a record a new one. Okay. So for the intro, it's G on third fret, strum down once, and then second string, first string. Put your pinky on the fifth fret of first string. Slide to 7th fret, back to 5th fret, and then G augmented, strum down, and then second fret, second string, first string, put your pinky on the 5th fret, slide to 7th fret, go back to 5th fret, and then G6, second string, first string, put your pinky on the 5th fret, slide to 7th fret, go back to 5th fret, and then G augmented again. On the second string, first string, 5th fret on the first string, 7th fret, 5th fret, and then G. It's right that I do care about you. Okay, so the strumming pattern for the verse 1 throughout the song is down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so it's right that I should care about you and try to make you happy when you're blue. It's right to feel the way I do because I love you. It's wrong to say. Okay, we go back to the last line of the first verse. Because A minor, half a measure, down, up, down, and then D7, half a measure, down, up, down, and then G, one measure, G7, one measure. Okay, so because I love you. And then we go to the bridge. It's wrong to say I don't think of you, 'cause when you say the strings, you know it only makes me blue. Give me one kiss. Okay, we go back to the bridge. A minor, D, G, A minor. Say the same, you know it. A7 makes me blue, and then D, half a measure. Okay, so down, up, down, down, up, down, and then second verse. Give me one kiss and I'll be happy. Just to be with you. Give me a second verse, same strumming, almost the same as verse 1 except for the last line. So for the last line, because G one measure, because A minor half a measure, the 7 half a measure, I love you, G one measure, and then E flat half a measure, and then D half a measure, and then we go to the instrumental. The instrumental is G, same picking as the intro, G augmented, same picking as the intro, G6, same picking as the intro, but this time we got G7. Before, for the intro, we got G augmented again, but this time G7. So for G7, same picking. And then second fret, second string, first string, put your finger on the 5th fret of first string, slide, back to 5th fret, and then 10th fret, pick, hammer on the 12th fret, and then pick 4 times, pull off on the 4th. Okay, so and then 7th fret on first string, slide. So that's 3 times, 1, 2, 3, slide on the 3rd fret. Okay, so and then repeat second verse. One kiss and I'll be happy. Just to be with you. Give me, got your hands to be new. Because I love you. Because I love you. Okay, so the last second verse, last line, because I love you. Then A minor, because I love you, G, and then G9, strum down once. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's not it's easy to learn. Okay, so just remember the strumming pattern is down, up, down, down, up, down, down. For half measure is down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's it. Now our next lesson will also coming from our oldies but goodies. Okay, so have a good day, guys. Please share, like, and comment. You can make a request, and those who haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe. Okay, so have a good day.